Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. So, on content creation. So today I have been cooking. I've been cooking things. So I'm trying to find the perfect light. I think this is good. So please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Don't forget to comment, like, share on this video and all that. Oh, I think the light is too much. Okay, so let's do this. Today I want to teach you all how to fry chicken. As basic as that is, but I want to show you how to fry chicken. And I've been cooking. I've boiled the chicken. I'll show you in a moment. I've boiled it. I didn't film spicing that and all that, but the essence of this video is to show you how to fry chicken. So let's do this. Yes, so please keep watching. I'm cooking. I'm bulk cooking. So yeah, let me show you all. The cooking process, because this is a large cooking. This is my frying pan, the big one. I'm cooking with firewood and the fire is not much. So yes, this pan is dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and add oil to it. That's the oil.